Hi there, in this video I will show you can't sign into Google account on Android phone showing something went wrong, or can't sign into Google Play Store using any Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So let's get started. First, check if your internet connection is working properly. If it is working properly, then start solving the problem. And if there is a problem with the internet connection, then you can watch the videos that are provided in the description or the comment box to solve the internet connection. If your phone cannot access the Google Play Store even though the internet connection is fine, then apply the methods. Method number 1. Open Settings. Search for Device Admin Apps. Tap on it. Tap on Device Admin Apps. Device Admin Apps. Here, turn off all the running services in the device admin apps. You can turn them back on later if needed. Once it is completed, move back from here and search for application or apps. Open it. Search for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Force Stop, then tap OK. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. After that, move back from here and search for Google Play Services. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. Tap on Clear All Data. Tap on OK or Delete. Move back and tap on 3 dots over here. Tap on Uninstall Updates. After completing all the process, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open Settings once again. Find out Applications. Tap on it. Now search for Google Play Store. Open it. Tap on Permissions. Allow the location permissions. After that, move back to the home screen and try to access your Google Play Store. This time, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still persists, then try the next method. Method number 2. Open Settings once again. Scroll down and find out Apps. Tap on it. Tap on 3 dots over here. Select Reset App Preferences. Tap on Reset. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. After applying all the methods, if your problem still remains, then check out the description of this video for advanced solution. That's it. Thanks for watching.